worked on details in the house, mostly painting, retexturing some areas, some walls. The under-counter lights are in. We also replaced the 2 lights that were missing there. We have a pantry light now that it's motion activated. We have the range in that was done by Home Depot. The dishwasher needs to be installed properly. We're gonna get back to that. Also here in the bathrooms, we finished a lot of details that were missing. The doors have been painted and have the doorknobs installed. Here we have the closet ready. We lowered the rail and we also added a new shelf. And also here in the bathroom, we finalized some details that were missing. Finalizing pretty much texturing, painting. And we also passed final inspection. So we are just basically waiting for a few details on the electrical side to be finished and they will be ready to move in. We also painted front porch, replaced a few of the steps that were broken and also painted the steps here in the front of the house. Here next to the driveway, we also installed the concrete pads for a future golf cart parking. We installed lights under the house and we also moved this door that was originally in a room under the house and now it's located here. Thank you for watching and we'll see us next week.